Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to FX Billionaire Hub. And in this video, we're gonna analyze the market technically from the next Monday to next Friday. That means for the next week, okay? And as per you know that we are sending a lot of analysis into our Telegram channel, and we also sent around 10 entry or 10 analysis into our public Telegram channel in last week, and 8 of them hit our TP and 2 of them hit our SL. That means here is 80% win ratio. So if you especially joined our Telegram channel, you may know that, or if you're not joined yet, you may join now. Link in the video description box. So as per our trading style or as per our analysis style, we always start our analysis with higher time frame to find out the market direction or market path. Then we will continue to find out our entry in lower time frame. So let's get back into weekly time frame. As per you can see there, in weekly time frame, market was on long range buy. That means around 2.5 month market was on continuously buy, and last week market gave us a sell candle, and that was a big sell candle. So you must ask me, Mr. Boom, why market is on sale in that condition or in that unstable market? So there is few things to market go sell. Number one is buyers are taking too much buy entry from that particular area, and in that zone or that particular zone, buyers are thinking, okay, that's enough, let's take our profit. So buyers are taking their profit in that particular area, and also they are selling gold in that particular area. And there is a lot of geopolitical issues like Trump and Putin's issues, China and United States issues, a lot of things, and we will discuss about the geopolitical issues into our fundamental analysis. Will come tomorrow at the same time, okay? And I hope you understand the thing why gold are going down right now. And if we especially want to see the analysis for the weekly, as you can see there was a bullish movement. That means there was a breakout from this trend line, and that is continuously or rapidly growing. And from my point of view, gold will fall till that particular area. Again, it can be go up, okay? So for our long-term analysis or from our long-term market direction view, market will go a little bit down, and again it will go up. And let's get back into daily time frame to find out our daily analysis or a daily market movement. And if I want to draw some trend line or support and resistance from there to there, okay, I'm sorry, let me make it perfect. Okay, it seems okay now. And if I want to draw the lower channel, that means the lower trend line channel, as you can see there, that could be our lower trend line, okay? And this is the current thing. And for trend line breakout strategy, that will give us a breakout first, then we will wait for the pullback, then it will go for buy again, okay? And if you especially tell what can be happen, as you can see there is a bearish scenario from the market, and market was tried to go up in daily time frame, but it was unable to go up, okay, because of the selling pressure, because of the buyer are taking a lot of take profit or TP, okay? And you may see the small gap around that particular area, that means pullback area. There is a huge pips. If I especially want to draw, that means that is 3980, and upper zone is 4113. That means there is more than 1000 pips. So we can take opportunity from this particular area. And let's get back into H4 time frame to find out our proper entry or proper direction, okay? So in 4-hour time frame, if I especially want to remove daily time frames, all of the drawings, and if I especially want to draw 4-hour time frames zones and 4-hour time frames area, okay, let's try it for the trend line, okay? As you can see there is a also breakout zone from 4-hour time frame. So for the trend line breakout strategy, if something break from there, we will wait for pullback, then we will take buy or sell entry. Same case for the selling side, we will wait for pullback, then our entry zone will be that particular area, then we can take buy or sell entry, okay? This is the particular thing, or this is the particular region. And for now we will wait for the pullback from that particular area, then we can take a sell entry for this zone or this zone or this zone. You may see there is a lot of supply zones or demand zones, so we may set our TP area or targeted area and that particular area. So you may ask me, Mr. Boom, what we should or what we need to do. So for more confirmation, we need to go for Fibonacci retracement. As you can see there is our retracement area, as you can see there. And if I want to draw a resistance or support area, as you can see there is also our, that could be our entry zone. And what could be our SL? Our SL should be around 61.8 zone, and our TP should be, or TP3 should be around the particular, that means 0.00 zone. Let me make it faster. Okay, and if I want to draw one more, okay, for now our entry zone should be around 50.0, and our SL should be around 61.8, and our take profit area should be around 4003. Okay, that means 0.0 area. Okay, so let's remove the Fibonacci retracement, okay, for now. And this is the current scenario, so we may wait till the particular area, and then we can take sell entry from there to there. Okay, and there is lot of zone or lot of area, that means supply and demand area, so we can take buy or sell entry if you especially want to think about scalping. So we are sending a lot of entry analysis into our Telegram channel, so you have to follow our Telegram channel to take all of the advantage or to see all of the analysis. So you may ask me, Mr. Boom, I am a small time frame trader, what for me? Okay, let's remove all of the previous drawing. And one more thing here, guys, so market can be go up or market can be there can be a news that indicates gold will go buy, so you have to wait for the area, and you must have to check the news also, where you can find the news. We are posting a lot of analysis, fundamental and technical, both into our Telegram channel. I already told that you have to join there to get all kind of update. Okay, and if it break out here, we'll wait for pullback, then we can take buy entry from there to there. So for all kind of technical or fundamental resources, I already told you need to join our public Telegram channel. There we are sending a lot of analysis and newses that are releasing from market. Okay, so let's remove all of them from our chart and go for small time frame trader. That means if you want to scalp in the market, or if you especially trade on M13 or H1 time frame, so that could be works, or that could be help for you. So if I again want to go for the trend line, as you can see there is a trend line format, and there is another lower trend line from that area to that area. So as you can see there, if you are especially small time frame trader or day trader, so what could be happen there? Market will go there, and if it gives us a sell confirmation from there, we can go there, we can wait for that area to take our TP, and our SL should be around that particular area. And if our SL around 50 pips, our TP should be 150 pips. That could be our risk to reward ratio is around 1:3. That means risk is 50 pips and reward 150 pips. Okay, if you lose, you will lose $50 or 50 pips, and if you lose, if you win, you will win 150 pips. Okay, this is the particular scenario, and opponent can be happen. That means market can be go down till that particular area again. When goes that area, it will give us another confirmation to go by like that previous areas, so we may take buy entry from there. Our SL should be 50 pips and TP should be 150 pips. So this is the current scenario or current position of the market. So we are posting a lot of things, a lot of analysis into our Telegram channel, so you must have to join there to get daily update. Okay, so that's for now. I think all thing is clear now. For more query or for free signal, free chart analysis, you may join our public Telegram channel, t.me/FX Billionaire Hub, link in the description box. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.